Hey guys, how's it going? It's Mo with moswebtips.com, and I have another tip for you, and this is regarding including a picture in a blog comment. I think there's a lot of confusion out there about how this is done. You may have seen at the bottom of an article or a post, you'll see a comment section, and people will leave comments, and right next to the comment will be it'll be an avatar or a picture, a profile picture. And there's a lot of confusion on how do you do this and how do you get those comments out. So what I want to do is I want to explain how it works and how you can do it, and show you the most popular method for bloggers and people that like to use this and want to have their profile picture there or their logo. So the reason why this is confusing is if you go to WordPress and you go to the discussion section where your avatar settings are, is you don't have any way to actually add an admin avatar, or to all you have is whether or not you want to show avatars or not. So I'm going to explain how this works and how you can get an avatar very, very quickly. Okay? Now, but before I do that, let's talk about the reason why you would want to have an avatar. Well, if you're trying to drive traffic and you have a brand new website, or you just like to comment and you like to socialize online, if you have a profile picture next to your comment, there's a much higher chance that someone is going to click through and check out your website, because they can see that you're a real person, or they can see the logo, as opposed to a lot of times you'll see it'll be a default avatar, and it just kind of looks spammy, or it doesn't look like it's a person. You're definitely less likely to click through to that. So for marketing and for gaining traffic, it's really important. So if you're a new website owner, this is definitely something that you want to get underway. So this is how we do it. So the first thing we need to do is we need to set up a Gravatar account. Now this is completely free, and what Gravatar means, it stands for Globally Recognized Avatar. Simple as that. It sounds complicated, but all it is basically a database of an email that you associate with a picture. And then WordPress, or a lot of popular blogging platforms, what they do is they search the database of the email that you put in right here, and if they find a picture that is associated with it, it pulls the picture off and it automatically puts it into any comment that you put into a website, into a comment that's using this email. But one thing to remember is you have to be logged into your Gravatar account for it to put the picture. So somebody can't just put any email in here. Like say I have a picture for whatismo@gmail, and you were to comment and use my email address, it's not going to show my Gravatar unless I'm logged into my account and then I make that post. And once I've made that post, it memorizes it, and the blogging software takes care of all that. So without being techie, let's just kind of get to it. So what you need to do is create an account. You go to login, sign up, and then you're going to put in the email that you want to be associated with your picture or logo, or Gravatar as we'll now call it, and then you'll hit sign up. The next thing that's going to happen is you will receive an email to basically activate your account. So go check your email after you sign up, or to finish your sign up process. You're going to click on this link right here, and then I'll go ahead and click on that. And I already set up an account, but what you're going to need to do is you're going to need to follow the instructions, and you're going to have to create a username, password, and then once you're done, just follow the instructions. The next thing you're going to see, so your screen should look like this. Now what you need to do is you need to add a picture. So click add one by clicking here. Now you have a couple options on how to pull a picture. You can go into your hard drive and upload a picture that you have saved, maybe a photo or something that you took for this purpose. Or if you already have an image online somewhere and you know the URL, you can put that in here. So since we're focusing on new accounts, you're probably going to be doing my computer's hard drive. So you're going to do that, and then you're going to browse. This will browse your computer. You're going to pick a picture that you have set up, preferably a square picture with decent resolution. And then you hit next. Alright, next you have to basically just resize the picture. Whatever's inside this square right here is what's going to show. And then you just hit crop and finish. Ta-da! Now you have to pick the rating. And once you click your rating, you are basically finished. Now I am logged into my account right now, so if I go to a website and I type in my name, so let's say I want to leave a comment. I put in my email that I just created that's associated with that gravatar or avatar, and then here I can put a website address, and then I can type in a comment. So this works on all WordPress comments. So like I said, the way it works is this platform will look for this email address, and if it can find, it automatically knows to go check out the gravatar database and look for an avatar that is associated with this email, and then it'll automatically display it there. And the great thing about this is once you've created your gravatar account, as long as you're logged into your gravatar, you can have it logged in, just running and just kind of in the background. It'll leave any comment you make anywhere on anybody's blog. It's going to show a picture, and that'll be your profile. So let's just leave one just to see how it works. Great site. I love it because I made it. All right, so I'm going to leave a comment now, and it's got my email address right here. And voila, the magic happens right before your eyes. So now this will be here for everybody to see. So anybody that comes and reads the comments on this page will see that, and that's how it works. Now the other side of the coin is if you are a web master and you have a WordPress site yourself, all you have to do is in your profile. So if you go to users and you go to profile, this one is admin, all you have to do is make sure that the email where it says contact info, if you put an email there that is associated with your gravatar, then when you answer a comment, it'll show up on the admin. So anytime you put anything and there could be an associated avatar as an admin, when you answer a comment or something, it'll automatically show up. So that's all you have to do, both ends, and it's automatic, and it's really simple and easy. I hope this helped you out, and until next time.